Okay, the last thing I want to worry about is buying toner for our printers. But it's up to me to make sure we don't run out and everyone in the office can print when they need to. Thanks to this new free service, eConcierge, powered by Xerox. It monitors all the printers on my network, tells me before supplies run out, and lets me order new ones in just a few clicks. It even picks the right cartridges for each printer model, no matter what the brand, so I don't need to worry about confusing part numbers. And on top of being easier, I get rewards just for buying my supplies. Oh, and hey, this is really fun. I can give my printers nicknames that show up on alerts or when I track my orders, so it's a lot easier for me to remember where all the supplies go. But let's talk about, what really matters. Who's gonna make sure things don't break down when I leave on my vacation? Turns out, it's not a problem. Even though I run the service from my desktop, the information is stored in the cloud, so really anyone in the company can install it and keep things running smoothly. And because it's powered by Xerox, I know, and more importantly, my bosses know, that everything is secure. Listen, I've been doing this for a long time, and you won't find an easier way to take care of your printers. Give it a try. There's no commitment. Just see if you like having your own personal supplies assistant.